Hi everyone, this is Madhavi. Welcome to Bits Connect. Okay, this is the Bronsted-Lowry theory of acids and bases. Okay, this acids and bases theory is a three theories. Okay, first one is Arrhenius acid and base theory. Okay, and second one is Bronsted-Lowry theory acids and bases. Okay, and last one is Lewis acids and bases. Okay, and last one is the Arrhenius acid and base. This Arrhenius acid means, is the definition of the Arrhenius acid is a substance which contain the hydrogen ions is called acid. Okay, and next one is a base is the a substance which contain the OH minus ions which produce the OH minus ions is called base. But the totally difference in Bronsted-Lowry theory of acid and base. This is the definitions of the Bronsted-Lowry acids. Okay, Bronsted-Lowry acids base theory is a 1923. Okay, then first one is a definition of the Bronsted acid and base. First one is a Bronsted acid is a substance which can donate the proton. A substance which can donate a proton to other substance. Okay, the substance is a which can donate a proton to other substance is called Bronsted-Lowry acid. Okay, Bronsted-Lowry acid. And next one is base, a substance which can accept a proton. Okay, which can accept a proton from other substance is called base. Bronsted base. Okay, for example, this is the HCl plus H2O react with. Okay, this is the forward reaction, this is the backward reactions. This is the forward reaction, this is the backward reactions. Okay, then these HCl is react with H2O. Okay, for example, this is the HCl. This HCl, this is the one substance, this is also other substance. This one substance is donated to proton. This is the one proton is a hydrogen. Okay, HCl. HCl is donated to one proton to water. Okay, to form H3O plus. Already two hydrogens here. One hydrogen is donated, then is to form a H3O plus. Okay, this is the Cl minus. This is the which can donate the proton. This is acid. Which accept the proton. This is the base. Okay, understand? Donate a proton is called acid. Accept a proton is called base. This is the first example. This is the forward reaction. This is the backward reaction. Okay, and next examples also NH3 plus H2O. Okay, NH3 plus H2O. This is the H2O is donated to proton to NH3. Okay, water is donated to one proton NH3. Okay, this is the one hydrogen is donated to NH3. This is the NH4. Okay, correct? Then one. This is the 3 hydrogens. This is the 4 hydrogens. These 4 hydrogen is accept a proton. This is the donate a proton. Donate a proton. This is the accept a proton. This is base. This is acid. Okay, understand? Okay. Okay, these Bronsted-Lowry acid is the reversible reactions. Okay, these reversible reaction means this the reactants converted to products, products converted to reactants. This is called the reversible reactions. Okay, reactants converted to products, products converted to reactant. This the left side is the reactant and right side is the products. Okay, for example, this is the irreversible reaction is this is the acid one HCl. This Cl is base one. This for example H3O plus Cl minus. This is the reaction. Okay, this is a donative proton. Okay, this is the acceptive proton. This is donative proton. This is the acceptive. This is a donative one is a acid 2 and acceptive is the base one. Okay, this HCl is the acid and base here. Okay, one of the donative proton is acid and acceptive proton is base. Okay, acid base pair. Okay, and next H2O plus H3O plus. Okay, this H2O is a one proton is accepted. Okay, this is the base. This one is the donated one. This is the acid 2. Okay, same example. This is the reversible reactions. Is also ammonia base. This is the water acid. This one is the NH4 is acid donate a one proton to form NH3 plus H2O. Same reactions. Okay, this is the NH4 donated proton to OH minus to form a H2O. This is acid, this is base. This is reversible reactions. Conjugate acid base pair. Okay, this is the Bronsted-Lowell theory. Is a very important point. Is conjugate acid base pair. Okay, this is a conjugate acid base pair. A acid base pair different by only one proton. Difference only one proton. Conjugate acid base pair. Okay, the acid base pair is difference only one proton is called conjugate acid and base. Okay, this is the 2 marks question also. Okay, the acid base pair is difference only one proton. This is the HCl and Cl. This is the acid base pair. Okay, this is the HCl is acid and Cl minus is base. This is the only difference only one proton. Okay, H. Okay, and next one is the NH3 and NH4. This is the base, this is the acid. Okay, this is acid is the difference only one proton. 3, 4. 3 hydrogens 3, hydrogens 4. Difference only one proton. And next one is the H3O plus ions and H2O. Okay, this is the hydrogens here, 3 hydrogens. This is also this difference only one proton. And next one is the water, H2O and hydroxyl ions. This is the acid, this is the base. Okay, this is difference only one proton. Okay, difference only one proton is called conjugate acid base. Conjugate acid base. This is the conjugate acid base. For example, this is the HCl plus H2O gives rise. Okay. The donate a proton. Okay, H3O plus and Cl minus. Okay, this is the acid, this is base. Okay, this is difference only one proton. Is the difference only one proton is called acid base pair. Difference only one proton is called conjugate acid base pair. Okay, this is the examples is the HCl, Cl and NH3, NH4, H3O plus H2O, H2O, OH minus. This is the acid base. This is the only difference only one proton. Okay, acid by donating a proton is converted to conjugate base. Donate a proton is converted to conjugate base and base is a accepting a proton is converted to conjugate acid. Okay, neutralization process. This the neutralization process is the difference only acid base pairs. Difference only one proton is called conjugate acid and base. This is the formation of the conjugate acid base pair is called formation of conjugate acid base pair is called neutralization. Okay, this neutralization is the formation of the conjugate acid base pair is called. Okay, and the next one is the strength of acids and bases. This is the strength of acids and bases is the donate a proton is called acid, accept a proton is called base. Okay, this is the strength of is the more tendency and less tendency. Okay, for example, the first one is the strong acid. The strong acid is the acid which has a great tendency to donate a proton is called strong acid. Which has great tendency to donate a proton is called strong acid. Okay, and the next one is the weak acid. This weak acid is the acid which has less tendency to donate a proton. Okay, which has a less tendency donate a proton is called weak acid. Okay, which has a less tendency to donate a proton is called weak acid. Okay, and the next one is the strong base. The strong base is the base which has more tendency to accept a proton. More tendency which accept a proton is called strong base, and weak base also which has a less tendency accept a proton is called weak base. Okay, examples is a HCl react with H2O to form a H3O HCl is the strong acid. Is the more tendency to donate a proton. More tendency to donate a proton is strong acid. Okay. The Cl minus is the less tendency which accept. Okay. Is called weak base. Less tendency accept a proton is called weak base. Okay. This is the first example. Is HCl is a strong acid and Cl minus is the weak base. Okay, this is the conjugate acid base pair. Okay, and next another example is the acetic acid. This acetic acid is the less tendency to donate a proton is called weak acid. Is the CH3COOH is the weak acid. Okay, to donate a proton to water to form a CH3COO minus and H3O plus. This is the strong base. This strong base is the which accept a more tendency which accept a proton is called strong base. Limitations. Bronsted-Lowry theory of acid and bases. Limitations. First limitation is this theory could not explain the acidic character of non-protonic compounds like CO2, SO2 and AlCl3. He could not explain the acidic characters. Okay. Then this theory is the first limitation, and second limitation is this theories could not explain the neutralization process. Acid reacts with the base to form a salt and water is called a neutralization in arsenous acid and base. But Bronsted acid theory is the formation of the conjugated acid and base theory is called formation of the conjugate acid base is called neutralization. He could not explain that neutralization reaction in which proton transfer does not takes place. Okay, this is the calcium oxide react with carbon dioxide to form a CaCO3. He could not explain. This is the limitations of the Bronsted-Lowry theory.